Hello everybody, my name is Jack, Guitars for Vets. I'm working on Walk of Life by Mark Knopfler Dire Straits. And it's a unique song. It doesn't have flashy guitar, but it's got really nice, intricate guitar, fun stuff. The basic riff sounds sort of like, if you're familiar with an old tune, I don't know, it comes out of my childhood. Mama's little baby like shortening, shortening. So anyway, using that as an example, quite a bit of the riffs of this tune are just like that. So what I'm going to do is break it down into 4 parts. The first one is going to be start not at the beginning of the tune, but just before the guitar comes in. All right, it's like I said, broken up into 4 parts, and that way you keep control on what's going on and trying to explain it. So let's get going. That's section number 1. Section 2, starting from the verse. First. Verse 2.
Oh yeah, the boy can play the dedication.